This ECWB SS2 Float Switch 4-pack gives you enough sensors to protect multiple air conditioning condensate lines in one purchase, which is especially useful for larger homes or light commercial setups. Each switch threads directly into a 3/4-inch condensate drain made from Schedule 40 polyvinyl chloride, so it integrates cleanly with standard residential and commercial drain plumbing. The normally closed design cuts power to the air conditioning system when rising water lifts the float, helping to stop ceiling stains, wall damage, and soaked floors before they start. A removable sensor assembly makes periodic cleaning straightforward, so algae, sludge, and debris are less likely to cause false trips or missed shutdowns over time. The compact housing and clear instructions make installation approachable for experienced homeowners and very quick for technicians, reducing downtime during service calls or new installs. Built with durable materials and intended for both residential and industrial environments, this set of float switches offers dependable, long-term protection against condensate overflow.